Imagine if this snaps. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Austin Smith. As you can tell from the title of the video, we are doing a DIY project. And now, do you see this mess behind me? You've probably seen this in a couple of my videos. I'm disgusted by it. It looks hideous. And my plan is to build like a tire slash rim rack and a shelf, like multi-shelf with, I have sheet wood and I have 2x4s. And we're gonna do it so we can kind of eliminate all of these shelves, these two big ones that kind of, they look clunky. I don't know, they don't look good. And I want to kind of match this side over here that you can't see, obviously. But I built this bench over here, so I kind of want to mimic that side, but with shelves. And something that I can put my rims on, set in there. They're not sketchy. They're like, you know, slotted in, and I don't have to worry about them falling on my car, which I have had stuff fall on my car before. I'm not going to say what it was. It wasn't damaged, so we'll just keep it as is. But basically, I just want to do a little time lapse and show you all what we're going to build. And if you want to, you know, you have a garage similar, I guess, like in a corner, you want to build something like, maybe you want to follow me along in my journey of this. I'm probably going to be a little frustrated. It's like 6:30 right now, so I got a daylight. But I put new lights up too, so we got plenty of light. So, all right, so I guess the dark isn't really going to bother us tonight, but we're going to start moving. We're going to just clear all this crap out and then start building. So I'm excited to show you all like the little process, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. And I'll have more storage now. Well, at least that's the idea. Hopefully I will get more storage out of this and a little bit more room over here. I'll have to move this lawnmower. So let's get into it. I'm going to stop talking and I'll start the video. I just want to sit down and say a second. It's hard to believe that I actually cleaned this up once before and now I'm tearing it back all down. But now I'm building something hopefully really cool, and we'll see by the end of this video if it's really nice, which I'm pretty good at this stuff, so let's hope it ends up well. Alright guys, I just want to say, if you made it this far, thank you all so much for watching. If you have not already, go press that subscribe button. It really helped me out a lot. Like the video. Also, hang in there, watch this video, and drop a comment below and tell me on how you like this. Tell me if I should change anything about it, or really if it was worth my time at all. Like, I'm trying to reorganize to make a little bit more room in here so I can work around my car for this summer, and also just make some content in a cool, like, little area maybe you all can mimic, and maybe it might help you out in your garage, because as you can tell, my garage is very trashy. Like, it is awful. Well, it's not too bad, but I'm blessed to have a garage, and I have to clean it up and make it look better. So, and that's what we're doing. Back, I actually popped this tire driving on it. I was on my way home from school, and yeah, I drove on a flat donut tire. That was a very bad experience. It was terrifying. Just the sound of it. I was like, well, it's just a donut, so you know, if I ruin the rim, it's fine. But this thing has been through it all. You know what I thought would be cool for the longest time is have like a little couch there and like a TV over here, and like relocate these or something. I thought that'd be really cool. But so now I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring out like the dimensions and like maybe my ideal thing. I'm not doing like no planner. I'm not gonna draw it out. I'm just gonna get some like cut 2x4, make an outline, and start building up. And then on the top, I think that's where I'm gonna have the tire rack, because that's where I can throw them on the top and they're not gonna go, you know, rolling off, because they're held together. So we'll try that now. Okay, so now I've cut kind of like where the first outer one's gonna go. That's gonna be the furthest point out. So we actually still got plenty of room. We're gonna have a lot of shelf space underneath, above the next one, and after. So I might need more 2x4s, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and try to get this thing figured out and lined up so we'll have some stability. So let's do that. So right now what we're doing is I brought this big plywood down, as y'all can see, and I'm gonna drill this back one in, that one, and I think maybe like have the supports right now for that, so we can set this the plywood right on top and then get our supports after. So I might run out of wood, so this might be postponed. I guess it might be a couple days video, but I don't know what Butthead's doing over there. But let's get into actually trying to top this shelf off. Actually, move to the other side. But that ain't done for now. Yeah, I mean, imagine if this snaps. It's like I was hoping for it. Level 1 is complete, so that means we got the first part done. So now we gotta do the second level and then the other thing. Let's get on to that, which you all will see in like a snap. Alright guys, it's day 3 now. Literally day 2 I had to work. I couldn't get any time to work on this. But basically what I'm doing now is the same exact replication. I'm gonna go up 1 level, same exact thing, 2 feet. And then after that, that's where we're gonna get into the real part. So this little part right here, ignore this, you know, throw in a couple little parts. And then we're gonna get into the real part of this video, which is the tire rack for like old randoms and stuff. Alright guys, so for majority of the part, I got everything squared away up here. I still gotta like cut the edge these off and everything and make it flush, but I'm not gonna show you all that. Now we're gonna get into the main part, which I wanted to show you all, which is, it's very basic. I thought it was gonna be like a little like high rack, which we can stack them, but for now we're just doing one like little set. Oh gosh, I almost tripped. So basically we're doing it 12 wide, 12 is the width. And I cut these two out, and we're not doing the whole entire thing, but I just wanted to show you like how it sits. It's gonna be something like this, and it's just like a rectangle almost. And we're doing it, I believe, by 4 feet. We're gonna do the actual thing, and we're gonna set it over here. So we still have room over here to set things on our shelf, and we're gonna have more, we're gonna have tires, maybe a little bit longer, because in the future, if I do get more tires or rims, I'll have room to actually set them on. And I have those right there, that's under 4 feet. That's like, I'm not sure, 39 inches, 38 and a half. So just above, like 4 inches above 3 feet, 3 inches above 3 feet or something like that. Let's go ahead and finish up the tire rack and then show you what it looks like. And once again, this is a very simple tire rack, tire/rim rack I'm doing, but it's, it gives you all ideas, because maybe some people have no idea what they want to do, and here's the idea for you. So let's go ahead and build this and then put it up there and screw it in and show you all the final product and throw them up on there. So once again, I'm no carpenter, but I just showed you all how to make a rectangle. So basically, I mean, it's really simple, guys. I'll put this up here and throw the rims up there and show you all what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna actually drill this down into the to the shelves I built, because if I want to move this around, or if I want to rebuild it differently, I'm not gonna drill holes in there and just slide right up in there. So let's put it up there and show you all the final result of what everything looks like up there. I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything, and we'll see the more organized garage. Oh, and guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up and press that subscribe button if you have not already. And also go ahead and throw a comment below and tell me what y'all think about this. If if my carpenter skills were really that shitty. But this is just another step closer to one of my videos about my 2020 goals. I'll put a link right up here if you want to watch it. And that was one of them, is to clean up this garage, and that's what we're doing. So go watch that video, and if you do what I do, you are more likely to achieve your goals, because look, I'm one step closer to some of them. So I'm hyped. So let's finish this. Let's organize it and then show you all the final product. Alright guys, so once again, I'm no carpenter, but look at that. I got my all my old wheels and my spare tire. I can always extend this to make it longer if I want. I'll just take that out and get new 2x4s. I thought I could fit 5 wheels, like actual big ones, but I guess I'm not good at measuring anything at all. So, I mean, it fits all my wheels though, so I'm not complaining. So, there's like the actual product for y'all. I mean, look at that. I mean, it fit perfect. It makes it look so neat. So, all right, so if you want to see the before right now, and here is the after. I mean, it looks freaking good. I haven't put everything back on the shelves, and we're gonna actually do that now. Oh, and just to make a note, what I'm gonna show you all really quick, I didn't do on the other side, I forgot. I made a support beam there, and I did those so that kind of support more of the middle, and I forgot to do that side. So there's no sag, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and actually do that really quick. But I'm not gonna show that. I'm just gonna finish up this, and then we're gonna put everything on here, and then we'll finish up the video there. Alrighty everyone, well, this is what we got so far. So I got the supporting beams underneath there, like I was talking about, and I didn't do those because I'm a little lazy. It is sagging a little bit there, but I will fix that up and then, you know, just another time by myself. But there we go, guys. Some new shelves and a tire slash rim rack. So I can store some of my old tires if I ever want to. I can just build up, do a like a mount a 2x4, extend those out, and put some more up there, or just, you know, extend it out to here and put another 4, 5. But there you go, guys. And once again, this all isn't car. I mean, I'm a car related channel, but all this other stuff. I mean, I do have a regular life. I got other things in here in this garage because this isn't just used for car, but you know, bags, all sorts of things. My shop vac, some coolers, a couple other things. I mean, some old dirt bike tires. I need to just throw those away or sell them. Couple tools, because as you can see, this is a mess all over here. I gotta clean all this up now, and because I kind of like pulled all the crap off, moved some over here, gotta reorganize all this now. Other than that, guys, I'm stoked with the results. I mean, it looks awesome. I can't complain. So also, if you did stay this far, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Press that sub button below if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.